Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save an item for later or add it to your favorites on the Opoly application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on shop, which is the second option, then search for products by using the search bar, or also you can select from the categories here. So click on the relevant option, and here you can find, if you have selected the item, you can find this heart icon down below on the right side corner of the screen. So tap on it, and then you should select your size and click on the save button, thereby adding it to your favorites, and you will be able to save it for later. If you tap on the menu icon and click on wishlist down below, you can see your items added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.